Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can fix the issue of fingerprint option not showing in our settings. So for that you need to open up your settings, and after that click on about phone, and then click on all specs, and then scroll down and you will be able to find this option of kernel version. Just tap on it a few times and then it will launch the CIT, and after that a list of options will appear, and all you have to do is just find the finger test option over there and test whether your fingerprint option is working or not. And after checking it out, you will be able to know whether it is a hardware problem or software problem. So it is not opening up because I just did it couple of times before making this video. So you will be able to do it though. So after that just go back and go to your apps, and in your apps click on manage apps, and then click on the three dots on the top, and here click on show all apps, and then here search for finger. Then you will find this option of fingerprint test over here. Just click on it and go to the storage, then clear cache and data, and just reboot your device, and after that it should work quite fine with you. And if it doesn't work, then so it just opened up out of blue right now. So here it is, the finger sensor test, and this is where you have to test whether your hardware is working fine or not. So after clearing cache and the app data for fingerprint test, you need to reboot your device and it should work fine. And if it doesn't work fine, then you can go to the nearest service center for it. And that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.